My name is Shema Isaac. I'm a creative artistic explorer, urban and traditional choreographer, and a dance counselor and trainer. My normally work is to choreograph different pieces and to train youth as the next generation to use dance as their tool for their future. Participating to the hive would really represent a unique opportunity to me, as in developing my thinking of mixing my art, my dance also with technology in terms of the visuals of the performance. For that, I created a project called Art and Technology, where I will be dealing with cameras and projectors. This is how cameras will be displaying on the projectors during the interpretation of the piece. It's a live performance, not a broadcasted performance. I will use 3 cameras by displaying them on the 3 projectors. This will be something very unique to me to develop ideas in a collaborative way with different people that have different perspectives, with different background as well. This will really represent a unique opportunity again for me to develop my ideas through technology and to keep my dance and beside my dance and even beyond of what is my performance and deal with the visuals of the performance.